So if you want to increase your income, you have to keep on putting in the work, even if you don't feel like it, and even if you're not yet seeing results. Hey, my name is Chris. I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I only made about 50 bucks. That brings my total over 158 days to this much, and that brings my average to this much. And the thing is, I posted one video yesterday. It's a product review video of a couch. It's a kid's couch that is kind of like made of foam blocks, and kids love it. And but the thing is, I posted that one video yesterday, which I recorded in the morning, edited in the late morning, early afternoon, posted in the evening, and that video that I posted was not the reason that I made 50 bucks yesterday. The $50 that I made yesterday was from hundreds, if not, thousands of videos that I've already posted to Amazon and to YouTube. And each one of those contributes a little bit of money that eventually adds up to what I made yesterday. Now, that's not the most I've made. I've made $1,800 in one day, is the highest I've made so far. And it's not the least that I've made either. Yesterday I made $18, and I think that was the least that I've made over this challenge that I'm doing to try to get $100,000 annual salary. But the thing is, the video that I made yesterday, I might not see any benefit from that video whatsoever for a long time, until it starts showing up on Amazon, and if that same video gets some views on YouTube and leads to commissions that way, it likely probably won't get very much money for a while. But eventually, if I've done my research right on that product, then it eventually will pay for itself, which I did pay for that product, and eventually it will make a revenue as well. And I did mention that I paid for that product. So typically I have not bought products, but I just started this year paying for products that I think that I can utilize both in my church and at my house. So technically, from going forward, when I report this revenue, that it's going to be income and not revenue.
Wait a minute. Strike that. Reverse it.
Keep that in mind. I'm not going to report my expenses precisely, just because that's another layer, but I will be reporting income, not revenue, going forward.
Strike that. Reverse it.
So all that being said, put in the work, keep at it. Eventually you can make it, because hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.